An explosion has occurred in Abule, Egba area of Lagos State as vandals broke oil pipeline in the area, leading to spillage at Tipa Garage bus stop. According to a report, an unspecified number of houses and vehicles were caught in the huge explosion in the early hours of Wednesday. Human casualty figure could not be ascertained at the time of filing this report. However, Lagos Fire Servicemen and LRU firemen are on ground to combat the inferno in order to curtail the further spread to adjoining buildings and also the nearest filling station.